Well, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright, my people. Just some things that I want to talk to you about in this video, and please bear in mind that some of the things that I'm about to say in this video are allegedly. See, they are alleged, alright? Now, I got information that members of the security forces in West Kingston, Jamaica have been put on high alert because it is believed that there might be criminals who want to take revenge for a person who had been shot and killed by police. Now listen now. Allegedly, it is said that there are some persons who vowed to take revenge for a person who was shot and killed during a confrontation with police or a police party on Thursday. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm only giving you information according to I got information. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many police officers might have been involved in this whole situation. Alright, listen. Allegedly, it is said that there are some persons who police believe are criminals have issued threats. Now, according to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the person who died during the confrontation with police or police party is said to be a person who was wanted by the police for at least one double murder. It is said that on Thursday, the police reported that members of a team conducting joint operations with the Jamaica Defense Force was at a certain location in West Kingston, Jamaica, armed with what is said to be a search warrant, viewers and subscribers, and that members of the team entered a premises within the area where it is believed that the man who is said to be wanted at the time or was the wanted man was hiding. It is believed that the person was hiding at that location. You understand me? It is said that a member of the security team knocked on a door of a house at the premises, and it is said that cops heard shuffling coming from inside of the house or inside of the place, and it is said that cops reportedly shouted police, after which a member of the team started to open the door. So according to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that as soon as he did so, or as the door opened, then as well some persons might say, allegedly, it is said that the person who was wanted at the time or is said to be the wanted person during the whole situation opened fire at the police, and it is said that police returned fire hitting the person in the upper part of the body, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many shots was fired from either angles. According to other information that I got, it is said that police returned fire and the person who is said to be the wanted person at the time fell to the ground, viewers and subscribers. See? And I got some from a sketchy information as to what happened to the gun that it is said that the wanted man had at the time, or was holding at the time, or fired at the time. So it is said that the wanted man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers, and that's according to police source based on information that I got. You understand me? It is said that the person was wanted by police within the country of Jamaica for some time now, viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, and according to more information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that the police said that we are not worried or afraid of the threats of those criminals. All right, so it is said that police also said other words as well, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to leave this topic right here and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, before I move on to the next topic, viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel, and if you have been watching videos on my channel and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. All right, now on to the next topic now, and brace yourself because this topic might be somewhat disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I read at least one news article that gave me the understanding that police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago are looking for at least 2 male suspects who allegedly boogered a man. Now, please bear in mind that there are more articles out there that are saying similar or probably the same thing, viewers and subscribers. Now, according to the article that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the incident happened on Tuesday night and that the victim is in his 20s, viewers and subscribers. Now, let me explain to you how I understand some of the words that I read in that article that is said to be a news article, all right? So according to the news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, the person who is said to be the victim was at a certain location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, and at some point the person went inside of a motor vehicle and told the driver of the motor vehicle where he wanted to go. Some people might say that he went aboard the motor vehicle and told the driver where he wanted to go, viewers and subscribers. See, now I got unconfirmed information as to what type of motor vehicle that motor vehicle was. That's what I say. So the information confirmed to my knowledge whether if it was a public or a private motor vehicle. You understand me? However, it is said that the person went inside of the motor vehicle. Allegedly, it is said that the driver for the motor vehicle drive the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information if there was anyone else inside of the motor vehicle when the person was said to be the victim boarded the motor vehicle. I'm not sure. You understand me? However, according to more information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly again, it is said that when the driver who was driving the motor vehicle or the motor vehicle reached a certain location, it is said that the driver stopped the motor vehicle and got out of the motor vehicle. And allegedly, it is said that someone else or a passenger who was inside of the motor vehicle grabbed the person who is said to be the victim. Viewers and subscribers, may I make it very clear, I did not get any confirmed information as to how many persons was inside of the motor vehicle at the time when the person who is said to be the victim got inside of the motor vehicle. But allegedly it is said that someone else who was inside of the motor vehicle and who was not the driver of the motor vehicle grabbed the person who is said to be the victim. Allegedly it is said that the victim was either forced or given something to smell. It is said that that caused the victim to become unconscious, viewers and subscribers. And sometime after that, the victim wake up on the side of a roadway within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, or wake up at a certain location where a road was at, then, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And according to more information that I got, allegedly it is said that the victim felt pain and discomfort in his anal area. You understand me, people? Allegedly. So it is said that the victim's money, cell phone, and some more other things went missing, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the whole situation was brought to police attention, or police became aware of the situation at some point. And it is said that an investigation had been launched into a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. Quite a disturbing situation in my point of view. So me I say, so I'm just make you know information when we get, viewers and subscribers. Please bear in mind that there are more information about this whole situation. You understand me? But me just tell you as how I got information. You see me? What's alleged are just alleged and so on. All right, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.